For the most simple yet elevated look, I really love the way this one turned out. The way we started the look was with an eye cream and then a neutralizer in light peach, goes under the eyes, lightens up and brightens. I'm also using a face pencil in 15 around her nose, on the side of her face. She doesn't need a lot, but it just evens out her skin. I'm adding tinted face powder in light, which helps blend it all together. And one of my big secrets is the powder bronzer in Dusty Rose. Tints the skin. I'm filling in the brows in light brunette pencil. It just really makes the eyes strong. I'm using Violet Best Pencil to line the eye and gently soften it. It really brings green eyes out. Violet is a really fun color. It's not too red, especially when you put really black mascara on. I wanted to add a little bit of sparkle with Sparkle Wash and Barely Pink. And then this is the Pink Gold Cheek Palette. The Illuminator is the new formula. And then I used Mauve Rose and English Rose to give a little bit of color and a little depth. And I just layer them on top of each other. If I put too much of the bright on, I soften it with one of the other tones. And if you need more bright, I just add more of the English Rose. And you tap it in, you layer it. I used it on the lips. I'm actually using the Sparkle Wash on her cheeks. And couldn't help style with the fun jewelry. That's Jones Road.